Hey, Coach Greg here, and sit down and burn some belly fat with me. So without further ado, let's get started with our first belly fat burning exercise. We have suitcases. Now, normally this would be on the ground, but all you have to do is whatever your seat of choice, you want to prop yourself up with your hands. You're going to want to lean back, make sure your core is tight, and all you're doing is lifting your knees up to your chest and then extending them out in front of you, just like this. Now, if that's too difficult for you, you can just start having them on the ground, so make sure your legs are straight and then just focus on bringing your knees up. This will work just as well. So 30 seconds and here we go. So legs extended, bring those knees up. Make sure you are bracing with your hands. And the goal is really make sure you're focusing on your core. I can go to the side for you. Y'all can see it's knees up, extended out. Just like this. Couple more seconds. You're crushing it. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Moving along, we have side punches. Sit up nice and tall. Deep breath, core tight. We're just gonna focus on elbows in, and we're just rotating. Bring one arm across in a punch. Really focusing on that rotational movement, really focus on those obliques. 30 seconds, and here we go. So we're bringing it across. Try to keep your lower body stationary, planted, almost like screw your feet into the ground. Just try to get all the force to come from your sides. And you don't actually have to do real punches, you know. The goal is really to bring it across, extend, make sure you're breathing. There it is. 3, 2, and 1. Moving along, we have bicycles, our favorite ab exercise. From the seated position, you just want hands behind your head. We're gonna focus on getting elbow to opposite knee, bang. Just like that, you know the drill. 30 seconds, and here we go. So up, bring it down, just like that. See if you can get your elbow to touch your knee. Drive your knee up as far as you can and bring your elbow to meet it. Just like that. You can go at a nice slow pace like I am, or you can go a little faster, whatever you prefer. The goal is really be intentional and focus on that crunch. Come on, you're crushing it. A couple more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Very good. And last, we have side reaches. Focus on sitting upright, core tight. Arms up, and we're gonna extend overhead and reach. Just like this, really focusing on targeting those obliques and the side of our body. 30 seconds, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. And really extend, feel the reach, elongate your body. And try to bring, let your core, let your obliques be the thing that brings your body back to upright position. I know that sounds weird, but trust me, just by thinking about it, you're gonna feel your core activate. There it is, couple more seconds here. 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job. Suitcases, 3, 2, 1, go. Side punches, 3, 2, 1, go. Bicycles, 3, 2, 1, go. Side reaches, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, second set done. Grab water if you need to, but if not, we're gonna go right into set number 3. Let's finish strong, let's get it. Side punches, 3, 2, 1, go. Bicycles, 3, 2, 1, go. Side reaches, 3, 2, 1, go. And there you have it. That is your sit down with me and burn belly fat. Hopefully you feel amazing. I feel a little tired, but I feel like I can go another couple sets. Definitely feel my blood moving, getting my sweat on, and it's amazing. Hopefully you do too. And if you like these type of videos, go ahead and click the notification bell to stay on top of any new ones dropping. From Coach Mary, Coach Gabby, Coach Greg, that is me. Leave comments, let us know what you like, what you don't like, what you want more, what you want less of, whatever you want. We just want to hear from you. I am Coach Greg. I will see you in the next video. Stay strong, my friend. Peace. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes updated daily.